Okay, for the first knot we will do is the reef or square knot. We have two ends, and then we use the loop left over right and under, right over left and under, and it will end up looking like this. The purpose of this knot is it is a binding knot used to secure non-critical items like tying package, cells or shoelace. And then the next knot we'll do is shift bend. This is the single shift bend. And it will end up looking like this. And then now we will do the double shift bend. This single shift bend and double shift bend is used to join two rods of different diameters or thickness. And then now we're doing the double shift bend. This double shift bend add an extra turn here to provide extra security, especially if the rope are synthetic, wet or very slippery. And then the next knot we'll do is single bowline and double bowline. And it will end up looking like this. The next one is double bowline. This bowline, single bowline and double bowline is known as the king of knots. It creates a secure fixed loop at the end of the rope that won't slip or bind under heavy load. And then this double bowline has a double loop at the start to add extra friction and security. This is where the double loop at. And then the next one we will do is cloth hitch. And then I will use this pen as the cylinder. And it will end up looking like this. The cloth hitch is a temporary hitch used to secure rope to a port cylinder or a spar. It can slip if the rod is slipped or the tension is not constant. It is for temporary use only, not for the permanent one. Now we are doing the figure of 8. And as you can see, this looks like an 8, number 8. And then now I will do from figure of 8 to figure of 8 loop. I will loosen this figure of 8 first. Next I use the other side. And it will end up looking like this. And then I will now do the figure of 8 loop. This figure of 8 and figure of 8 loop is a stopper knot that tie at the end of the rope to prevent it from slipping through a pulley, clip, or a device. And figure of 8 loop is tying exactly the same knot by using a double up section of a rope. Figure of 8. Figure of 8 loop. Here it look like this. And this figure of 8 is more stronger and a more secure loop. And that's all from me. Thank you.